Good morning, class. Okay, we have done the last lecture of civics fundamental rights. Okay, now we will do the topic of geography, and the topic is sources, resources, and its types. Okay, so what is resource? Like, I am using this pen. This is a resource, and I am writing on the notebook. This notebook is also a resource because I am using this both for my benefit. Meaning of resources are material, energy, services, staff, knowledge, or other asset that are transformed to produce benefit. रिसोर्सेज कुछ भी हो सकते हैं लाइक मटेरियल एनर्जी सर्विसेज स्टाफ नॉलेज so that we can use them for our benefit. Okay, an item becomes a resource with time and developing technology. Without using the technology we can't say it resource. For example, this paper is made of, as you know, wood. Okay, we use a technology and time to use it for our benefit. Okay, so a resource need, a substance need time and technology to made it a resource. Okay, an item become a resource with time and developing technology. Substance with substance can be changed into resource with the help of time and technology. For example, discovery of fire, we use the fire for the purpose of cooking. Exactly. So same discovery of wheel. Okay, uh, when we spend time and technology on it we use the wheel as transportation. And obvious, water, we use water as a electricity. So these all substances turn into resource with the help of time and technology. Every substance with given time and technology has the capacity to convert into a resource. Is it clear? So now we will discuss the type of resource. Okay, I will give you a short look of type of resources, and we will discuss in detail in the further classes. Okay, so have a look. Type of resources, we have natural resources, human made resources, and human resources. Natural resources, I think you know very well: green plants, soil, water, which the items which we receive from the nature. Okay, and human made resources, like bridge, road, machinery, these all are human made resources. And the most important resource is human resource. uh, it includes skilled people who use technology to develop a substance into resource. Okay, further, natural resources, type of natural resources, you can have a look on the basis of reason: biotic, abiotic, development, actual, potential, stock, renewability, renewable, non-renewable, availability, obtuse, localized, exhaustibility, exhaustible, inexhaustible. We will discuss these all in our next class. So Thank you. Have a nice day.